Big up Crosses TV.
Big up Crosses TV. One and only Crosses TV. You don't know what bad about here, you know.
Me can't get up and put myself with Uno. Me can't get up and want take phone aside, take that one aside, and then when it all boils down, all I wanna I gonna be back friend. I'm gonna look like a fucking stupid fam. Me no boom to no top. Me no fucking I'm a batty. Me no fantasize with batty. Yet still have a problem with you know. I still have a problem with you know. I condemn on a life fam. You know want to tell me who to deal with. When I sick, I just come to America, I'm there Batman yard. I'm sick, you know, when I go to your first trimester, your first morning sickness. I can't eat nothing, I vomit up everything. My cousin Macy buy one piece of pumpkin and she buy a piece of Irish. And Macy cook it up for me and make one little pot of soup. And Macy dey on the live talk about the pot of soup. But she blood clot. You see all of them things, fam? You see all of them things will happen? All of them things will talk and all of them things will happen. Everybody want me cuss me ear to know. Me just ear to know. Me don't want a friend from nobody. Better me just stay by myself. Stay by myself. Me don't want have nothing to do no. Me don't want to see no. Me don't want to dare around nobody. Nothing at all, fam, because it fucking hurts. It hurts. It hurts because me never one day come and say, you know, say I have this over the person here, or me go wait name, me go save this, because me go run Tom John. So me go screenshot this with Tom John and me go take a picture. I'm bringing it down. Twep-Twep is fucking ungrateful. Twep-Twep is a bag person. Twep-Twep is this. But you see me, dog. You see me, fam. I'm strong, fam. Fucking strong. I'm strong. A girl who could have dead in a childbirth. I could have dead with my belly. My baby never have to come here. I'm a hold it out and God show me some strong, fam. I don't want to run me, brother. And just the truth, dog, when I really look back on it, my hurt, fam. Sky dey on live last night at class me. Sky ever tell me say a regular she give me 150 and them something. The Sky with my man like Sky not give away prayers. Me have to ask Sky when you give me money, when? Come on, the only somebody supposed to class me. I mean them for cuss and act it in America and go to a fucking Batman. Chevron like I'm waiting him there. Batman, brother. None of uno. You hear me tell you no? Because they never have no house to accept me. A Batman did have him fucking place. And yet still a boy they never tell me say my girl, hold the settee. He say hold the bed body. Me not sleep in a bed. Batman like sleep and bed, Batman like grown. But guess what, I'll in my preem too, cause guess what? Yeah, your friend have something, and if you see me somewhere and you never want me there on that person that you never want me go there, so go mix up and cuss me and WhatsApp me and cuss me. You go live because you know want people to have content with. No, so here we go on. They go just bust it up on the media. Every friend, everybody, nobody can cuss without say. Them cuss to themselves. Them cuss and go live. Them go live. My worst mistake in America, I forgot White Plains Road at 219. And it's just a fucking truth, fam. From exit out of the shelter and go 219. A beer bumbo clot drama, beer crosses. Yeah, this is whatever. I speak and it's just the truth. When I lay down in here last night, I'm dip on my back and I'm bawling and I said to myself, Father God, What is a plate of food? What is a plate? Beg you something, no? Beg you this, no? Beg you that, no? Beg you, there smile like the first country me ever come and people cuss me and tell me, say, them give me a plate of food. Never normally beg nobody. When woman pregnant, it's different from a girl when a pregnant nana belly and can go look at work. Pregnancy come with a different type of fucking hungry. So if me there on and I wanna buy more food, what is it to come back and say, me buy your food and you're hungry and you beggy. Me never beg you know. If we go place, if we go White Plains Road, if we go somewhere, if we go Yasso, if somebody want to have a stick over my fucking head, like the baby born now, brother. She born now. What more you gonna say? I'm not beg you no same way. I'm still not beg you no. I'm not beg you no, fam. What you mean must not be ungrateful? What you do for me say? For me say me I go hold a strong something over your head. What them do? What them do? What them do? What the fuck them do? Eh? When I do things from your heart and I talk about it, brother, everybody will claim to say them do things to me, come back, come take it, tell me. The fuck out of here. I want to know. When God do nothing for you, God hold things over on a bumbo clot head. Go suck on a woman, man, and come out for this man. Remember that what they do for a living and buy you the food. So you should have left that alone. But I understand what you say. Shara Brown, because somebody comment and said true. If you want me 80, give me something and thank you. Thank you. People must be grateful to people in our life, but at the end of the day, if you're the person get up a cuss. Remember, you know, when you give them something, you know, the person tell you thanks, you know. And the moment you and them get up a cuss, you know, you bring it up. So tell me now, me for still be grateful to you. Hey, go suck your mother, bro. One to your youth. I'm not going to like say me an idiot, boy. Me an idiot. Sometimes some people don't want to do nothing for you, brother. Them just want to come around here for say them and do things here for hold it over here. I want me to you. Some of them are style and mind game. I've got all of them will cuss me. Me never have approved over them yet. Me never screenshot them, take a picture of them. I've not have a post about them. Whether my face ugly, whether me this, whether me that, whether me the writer so, whether me the so, all of them. I want to know come and tell about all of I'm grateful. Grateful to God. But suck no matter sometimes God gives some of them pussy the assignment. And say, help that person because your blessings are coming your blood clot way. I want to take it and tell the blood clot person who want to help them. You feel when you still get the blessings there? But suck no matter youth. I want to know youth. One, two, youth. One, two, no. What do we need to do to address the climate crisis? So much time I see things. My blood clot relationship, I see things reach me, I'm hold it out like a J. And I come say, no, out of my blood clot mouth. No, I'm not come say. I want me to know, I'm a big up there pussy pan this. I want me to know. And all I want to just run come help a baby mother, yeah, because I say, yeah, I Twep-Twep that, you know. When the war start, you know, internet, I go black, you know, Because me have something over here, you know. Yeah, man, me know the style, man. Know the style, man. All I know will cuss me. Everybody will cuss me. You never come talk about the good when I do yet. You always find the ugly. Always find the ugly. Yeah. Always find the ugly. And the fact is, me feel like cold in and a rain, in and a heat in a fire. And I feel like this make everybody vex. Because they say to themselves, say, bumbo clock, the girl have ambition, you know. Because you know, so the girl no go no. But the girl does find a shelter. And that hurt them. That me I tell you, that hurt the pussy them. Yeah. Notice, none of them can cuss me and tell me so nobody fling me out with this and fling me out with that and ray and tay and blay. And blay. Right now, I don't want nobody telling me that. Nobody me no want. No pussy. Me no want a girl. Me no want a man. To no mama. Yeah. I remember me paid my picture on the media, you know. So I can come back. Redraw back. And I go say, look how she did the fair and ray and tay. And this and that. Sometimes some people help you to have things over now. Wake up. And I hold this. Days, pan top of days. I sit down. Bumba wall. I sit down by myself and days. Pan top of days. I sit down by my blood clot self in and I say to myself, John no star. I really pray and ask God why. I really sit down and pray and say, I'm ready they coming. Wake up and I lie. Look at now. I'm really, I don't know if me talk good when they say, I don't know what them really get out of for true. I don't know what them get out of for true because I send kids. I used to use my Instagram page and help people. I help people. I go live. I make people contribute money to all girl. Well, they are a back road. I want to go to school. She not no grocery. I make people send her money and them thing them. Help people too, brother. I never yet come talk about it. I never yet come say, girl, listen, you know. Remember back in the days, I did help, you know. And you have to go come live now, you know, come tell the people them say, I help, you know, give me a shoe, you know. I never come do that yet, bro. I never do that yet. I never do that yet. I never do them thing there yet. We want to get out of doing them thing, yeah. We want to get out of doing them thing, yeah, brother. The fuck? Me I wonder if I chew my breed, yeah? Or chew me coming at the shelter. Them three something me sit down and I wonder. Me I wonder if I chew me in the shelter. Chew me have a baby, yeah? Or chew me come America. Sometimes I feel wonder what me couldn't really. What the problem? What is the problem? All of a sudden, why everybody want to have something over me? Why everybody want to say, Twep-Twep this and Twep-Twep that and rare. Look at all gold digger. I don't know them girls from nowhere. And gold digger got them on live a close me and a class me and them something there because me and her now, me and somebody have something. And this bitch pick up people argument. Brother, like the one I want to just look at clout. You just look at a name off of somebody. And then when you go live now on the depot, why you calling my name? And this and that and ray and tay. And why you calling my name? And this and that and ray and tay. And blay. The whole of we in the same country, the whole of we are listen to the same fucking rules of the country, fam. The whole of we have the same president. None of we not better than none. Because at the end of the day, you not no papers to America. You not no papers here. But yet still you know how to fight an immigrant to run through the border. And one time I feel whenever I come through the border too. Make it be the problem. Eh? That's why I not take help from family either. The bagger obligation after. For true, fam. You know, say from the day I never never call my family man beg them yet. I never call my family man beg them yet. And I can ask them for things that I choose not to. I choose not to because if meet them Waterloo, what's a perfect bow? Do all I know. What's a perfect bow to know? Macy the America, Macy can't get not even asylum. Because scamming a charge for. You don't come tell the people them that. Not even asylum you can't get. As a job queen. You know they can holding for remove down the bumbuckler yard. And come here and fuck around me. If all of this will go on now, me, I'm going to be a big purpose in another country. I'm see it, you know. I see it. Yeah, brother. I see it. Oh. I see it, fam. So I'm going to take out our back pan out of car. Let me wash me. Yeah, no, mommy, man. You never come and come class, nobody, and say, Ray, and this and that. When a class in time, a class in time.
Hi, everyone. I'm Brene Brown. Welcome to the Unlocking Us podcast. Episodes of Unlocking Us will drop every Wednesday. Some episodes of the new podcast will become... Some days I'll just talk directly to you about what I'm learning and changing the way I think and show up. Unlocking Us is a Spotify exclusive. You can listen to it.
What do you?
Find me on Spotify. I appreciate it.
No, we're not mega wash me. Watch out.
We were good. We were gold.
Go on all the faith. Yeah, man, I go on all the faith, man. I go on all the faith, man.
Till we weren't. Built a home and watched it burn.
Go on all the faith, man. Give her something. She don't want to play with nothing. They just want to hold her up. And that cannot happen. Thank you. Yeah, I'm coming to from Washington. Tough up. Now put in a thing to sit down right as you can. Stop shout banana. No, me and Matic down there. You stop come over here and call Matic name. From now. I am making a big change in my life right now. Don't come over here and call Matic name. I'm going to block on a dirty blood clot. You hear me tell you now? Alright. Don't come over here and call nobody name. Yeah? Oh. Don't call nobody name over here. Nobody want great name there. You can joke me and make a sip and put them life and call nobody name over here. Oh. Nobody name. Me, I'm not taking a dead. I'm not come here from class, sir. And whatever, cause when we have a good times, when we did have a good times, we never did come over here and I rob her. So me and her stop talk, me not go rob her. No, I'm not gonna do that. If she want to do that, fine, because that them live for the media. Them live for the media. But other than that, me and her in a day. And I'm serious about that. I moved out and I gave her back her car. Yes, since as no one know, we are not together. I gave her back the car she bought for my birthday. Yeah. Chilling her from now. What do you? Yeah, me I work for me. Working on me.